call me up when I never wanna see ya. I'm just on my way back home, little drunk and alone, but I'd rather kick ya.
Welcome back to a new vlog. I arrived late in the Hamptons last night, which is just outside of New York for anyone who doesn't know. I'm here for the weekend because I'm doing a Soul Sink Body event, which will be so fun tomorrow. Lauren, and both Laurens actually, picked me up from the airport last night and we drove straight out here. Today we just woke up. It is so crazy. When I wake up here, I just feel immediately my whole nervous system is just so regulated because it's so calming. You just hear like little birds and stuff. East Coast in summer is just truly the best. I honestly feel it's better than California. I don't know, it just like makes me feel like, oh, maybe when I move back out here, it's just the best. We woke up a little late today because of the jet lag, but we're gonna get ready. We're gonna go to the town and grab some lunch. I think we're going to Sag Harbor and prepare and work a little bit, and then tomorrow we're gonna do the event. So I thought this weekend to just do a fun little vlog. Okay, let's get ready. I just put a quick little outfit on, a little mini. Oh, this whole set is from Reformation actually. It's a really cute bag. Maybe you can see it. You can't. I'm still wearing my ankle brace. I feel it kind of ruins the whole look of my outfit, but it is fine. We're gonna go grab a quick little lunch now.
We're in the Hamptons.
We're in the Hamptons.
Mom's driving.
Mom is driving. It's Lauren's first time. Other Lauren is not.
I hope that chia pudding because I need fiber.
You want chia pudding?
My girl says I need fiber. Right?
Or veggies. Just veggies.
No, we don't do veggies. Veggies.
Yeah, you don't do veggies. You don't do veggies. That looks so good. We're all staring at it. I got a chicken Caesar wrap that is kind of falling apart. Good morning. I'm not gonna lie, it's been a little hard waking up because jet lag. Also, I couldn't sleep last night. I was up all night thinking about the weather today because it's been gorgeous all week here. And then obviously the day of the event, it looked like 30% chance of rain. And last night I was in bed, it was midnight, and I could just hear the rain coming down. And I was like, no, because there's literally no backup plan for today. But I am going to get ready right now for the event. Today I'm teaching a Soul Sink Body workout at Reserve Padel. Reserve Padel is like a padel club. I think they're based out of Miami, but now they have courts in New York and stuff. They're just organizing a really fun event with like padel and lunch and Pilates and all of that, and a lot of girls are coming from the city. Padel is like one of those sports that I honestly really want to get into because I love padel. My whole family plays tennis, but I have a little hard time playing tennis. I feel it's much harder to learn. But padel is so much easier. It's so fun. And it's like an active sport. So once my ankle is better, we are definitely gonna try to do some more padel. There are not that many courts here in LA because they're all private, but I guess I just need to make some new friends who have padel courts. Okay, I'm gonna do a little basic makeup because it feels so humid outside. It almost feels like we're in Florida, so I just want to make sure that I have a light but like nice little makeup on. I definitely noticed that doing these type of events is getting so much easier. I think before I used to be so nervous because I was so new to teaching in person, but I think now I'm starting to feel so much more comfortable doing it. And I don't know, it's kind of a little bit the same as what I talked about in my motivation video, right? It's like, in order to be confident in someone, you have to do it over and over, and you just need to be fine with being a beginner. I feel I'm definitely getting at a stage where I feel a lot more confident on a stage like that. You guys, I got the new Vloet, let's see, it's like a blush stick, and I saw Haley using it for blush, also for lips. This is the color Tan Line. It's a pocket blush and it's so cute. Put some on my lips as well. I feel it's really pretty when you kind of do the same color. I'm gonna blend that up. I'm such a blush girl. I just feel it always makes you look alive and so much healthier. Even though I have kind of like red cheeks, the blush just always makes it so much extra special. I hope I'm gonna be able to vlog a little bit more this weekend. We are staying with Max's parents and have kind of some like work events and stuff, but I am gonna do my best to get a little vlog out. It has been so nice being back in the Hamptons. Max and I used to come here a lot when we were living in New York, obviously. Hopefully soon a lot more. We are still waiting to hear from our application for our New York apartment. And I don't know, I'm getting a little nervous because it's been like a couple weeks now, and I asked Max and he was saying they were looking for some extra paperwork or something, or there was a document missing, but I'm like, it's been quite a lot of days. So I really hope it's gonna go through and we're gonna be able to spend some more time in New York. Okay, I'm gonna quickly do my hair and we're all done for the day. We're gonna head over to Reserve by Dell, teach a class, which will be so fun, and have a fun little wellness morning.
I've been waiting for this, yeah. It's been up on my mind, oh, it's hard to resist.
Good morning. Are you awake yet? Ellen is ready. Got my tea. She got her tea. Okay, you guys, the venue is so amazing. Like, it is literally my dream Hamptons home ever. There is so many, I don't know what the hydrangeas, these like flowers, I'm just obsessed with them. They might be like my favorite type of flower in gardens. I'm like manifesting a place like this one day. We're currently getting ready for the event. We're setting up and all of that. I think all the girls are going to be like 30 minutes late, which is kind of perfect because we're running a little bit out of time. Fine. Lauren, I'm going to do a little walkthrough. You can probably not hear anything on the audio because the DJ is like, he's on something. It's 9 a.m. We're getting the energy going for sure.
Girl, you got me down so bad. I can't say enough. She pull up with that new thing. Please don't fall in love, cause I think of you all day. Yeah, I was running through my brain, can't be nothing. Cause I just know you got me thinking about forever. Got a crush, crush, crush on you. I just wanna be your only crush, crush, crush on you. I'm not the type to give it in, read it out to your mind.
Nice and up, keep them aligned.
When I was looking outside, girl, you got me lost in your...
Good morning. Well, actually, it is already afternoon. We're gonna get ready for a little lunch and a beach hang. We're gonna go to Montauk. I am just wearing a very chill outfit. These shorts I got a long time ago at Zara, nearly Loton. And then I got this cute little Loewe bag, a straw bag. I got this during my Euro trip in Amsterdam and I thought it was like so cute for like your phone and wallet. And my camera, obviously, bring my camera everywhere. We're currently packing up all of our stuff because we're gonna go straight from Montauk to the airport tonight. It's definitely a little bit of a shorter trip, but it feels so good. I haven't been on the beach yet. I'm a little worried with my ankle walking around, but Hopefully we'll be fine.
We perfectly routed today. Beach from Montauk, my first time.
Yes.
And then we're gonna have a little lunch and then head back to the city and get Sanne to the airport for her flight back to LA. It all works out just in time.
I was like, we've only kind of been hanging around the house, and obviously we went to the Badel. So I was like, Lauren, I need to show you like real Hamptons a little bit. So that's why we're going to Montauk. So you guys, I got these glasses in Amsterdam, little Miu Mius. I really wanted frames with gold because the ones that I usually wear, the really black big ones, they just fit so well on my face, but they're silver and sometimes I'm in a gold mood. So actually I put silver earrings on.
Can't get it on the same page.
I guess we're mixing it up a little bit, but yeah, they're really cute.
Best parking job in Montauk.
No, she is. Oh my god. So guys, we literally drove around quite a bit to find parking, but we did, which is so good, and we're actually pretty close by. So lucky us. Back from the beach, and I really wanted to get a lobster roll because I love lobster rolls so much. Drove by this place called the Clam Bar. I actually saw it on TikTok. I heard it's pretty good, so I just wanted to do a little takeaway lobster situation. Guys, they asked me if I want a hot or cold lobster roll, and I never really thought about it. What is better? I don't know. I need to know.
My pants are better yellow.
They're better yellow, matching the color of the season. Wow, that's a lot of lobster.
That's a $45 lobster roll.
Okay guys, I got the lobster roll. It is so big and juicy. Squeeze of lemon. They're really good. I would probably add a little sauce or something to it. This is a lot of lobster, but it's so good. I'm gonna try some with the slaw on it. Nothing beats an East Coast lobster roll approved. 8 out of 10. We're on the way to JFK. I got us a little ginger shot. Ginger, lemon, raw honey, organic eggs, zinc, vitamin D. Okay. I hope it's not too rough.
You wanna let me know? Before the driver chokes.
Yeah, before the driver chokes. I just also had a protein bar, so I don't know how this is gonna really taste, but...
Cheers.
Cheers.
To health.
Ooh! Oh, it tastes the honey in it. It's really good.
Oh, I like that.
Mm-hmm. Ooh!
This is definitely not like a take it in one hit. This is a sipper.
No, I literally got you. I only had like one sip, and I'm like, oh, this is pretty intense.
Lemon?
This is sparkling water.
Yes.
This is sparkling water. You know where I bought it?
7-Eleven.
I bought it at 7-Eleven.
Cheers to the 7-Eleven in the Hamptons.
Mm-hmm. Go get these. They're really good. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this little vlog in the Hamptons. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you very soon.
Bye.